Okay, we are back in the kitchen. We had to run away from the beehives, didn't we, Bryce?
Yeah.
Because they wanted to get us. Don't stir yet. So, cousin Bryce and Gabby are going to have a chocolate ganache competition. So what we're going to do is I got some hot cream that we are going to pour just barely over the chocolate to help it melt a little bit. And Bryce and Gabby are going to count to, how many?
50.
You're going to count to 50, then you're going to stir. Okay?
Oh, that's not.
Okay, start counting.
1.
You'll count quietly. Okay, so next is, we got the honey, we got it up on the frame. So I'm going to use this knife here and a little bit of heat. And we're going to warm this up just a little bit. You don't want to use liquid to heat this up in hot water because that will ferment your honey and it will turn into meat. So I'm going to heat the knife up a little bit and you can see how quick this comes out just by this capping, just like so. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous?
Okay,
just like so. So I'm just going to cap a little bit of that so you can get a good look.
He said 50.
And then you can, here guys, try this. Bryce, Gabby, you want to try it? There's a bee head in mine. That is so good, isn't it? So we're going to use the honey and we could skewer things, but let me talk about the other products that we have going on right now. So we have a bunch of different fruits. We have pineapples, kiwi, strawberry, some lemon pound cake right here. And this could be something that you sit on a table with different toppings and sauces like we're going to make today. And we have a plate here with the fondue already dipped and ready to go. So I'm going to start building a little bit this fondue plate that you can bring in a table. You got skewers in here. Check out the strawberry. Check out this strawberry from the garden. Doesn't that look beautiful? You know, again, always keep the green on here. You know what would be really good is take the strawberry like so and just rub it on this honey. Okay, you guys are stirring? Okay, you guys start stirring. Isn't that beautiful? So, pineapple, strawberries. Okay. How's the ganache going? Stir faster, Bryce. Bryce, I'm going to give you a little bit more heavy cream. Whoever's is the smoothest.
I need some too.
Okay, I'll give you some too. Stir it, Gabby. Let's see. Oh, you're good. Gabby's is done already. How's Bryce's? Keep stirring, Bryce. You're doing good. So the other toppings that we have for the fondue station over here is we have some phyllo crisp, which is you take phyllo down, you cut it real thin, and then pour it. Just grab it and pour it. You want Paul to do it? Or you want to do it? Okay, I'll do it. You want to do it?
Because you said
Okay, you can spill it. If you spill a little bit, it's okay. Just do your best. Man, look at, boy, Gabby's good. Bryce, keep stirring. Stir fast, Bryce. So again, back to the phyllo dough. A little bit of cinnamon sugar, a little bit of butter in here, and then bake it on low for 300. Also, we have a little bit of homemade granola with some cinnamon sugar. Boy, Gabby did really good on her white chocolate sauce, didn't she?
not really good.
That's good. So what we can do is we got the white chocolate sauce right here. We're gonna drizzle that. Okay, Bryce, let me see the chocolate. Man, that looks great. Hold on, let me see. I know. I'm gonna pour it. Okay, now we'll see if Bryce can. No, this is Bryce. Bryce, you see if you can pour it in there and give it back to me, okay? If you spill some, that's okay too. Dun, dun, dun. Go, Bryce, go. Pour fast, Bryce. Pour fast. Okay, so I'm gonna drizzle a little white chocolate on the fruit, like so. I think this might even be a pour here. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Okay.
I did the best.
I think we need to go get Bryce a little time. Look at that, Bryce. You're getting almost some in there, Bryce. You know that? That's pretty good, buddy. So a little phyllo crisp on here. A little bit of granola. Okay. Bryce has got the chocolate going. Bryce, thank you so much. I'll take the rest of this. Maybe a little bit on the outside, but that's still okay, isn't it?
I win.
Okay, so we're going to drizzle a little bit of the chocolate on here. And this is all decalorized with just a wave of my hand, isn't it? So won't this be good to dip and eat? Maybe a little bit of strawberry garnish here and there. And one more strawberry. And guys, I think we got it, didn't we? Who's hungry?
Me.
Should we eat green beans or should we eat this?
This.
This? Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.